You only live once. Surely everyone has heard of the term YOLO. Along with the development of social networks, this term appears more and more in the hashtags or in the posts and messages of young people. But do you really understand the meaning of this term? So, what is YOLO? YOLO stands for You Only Live Once. This is a way of living to the fullest, living so meaningfully, completely, without wasting life. The origin of YOLO is from the song The Motto performed by rapper Drake in 2011. Because of the powerful influence of music, the term YOLO has since become popular. YOLO is a lifestyle that encourages the young generation to live to the fullest, dare to think and do what they love because we all only have once to live. So do everything according to your heart. Besides, YOLO also wants to convey the message that you should cherish yourself and the life you have, encourage everyone to think positively and bravely to solve all difficulties in life. First, let's listen to the positive side of YOLO. The YOLO lifestyle always gives people an objective and correct view of the world around. It helps people have faith and a positive spirit. The YOLO lifestyle can change our perception, making us think more optimistically. Not only that, but this lifestyle also helps people with negative thoughts to change and start over. It encourages people to find as well as realize the things they forget in life to find joy for themselves within the allowable range. Help people live each moment to the fullest. Thanks to that, we know how to take advantage of our 24 hours a day to do more meaningful things. Avoid getting involved in things that have nothing to do with your life. Boldly pursue your dreams, do the things you love, thereby promoting your inherent strengths. However, along with positive effects, this lifestyle also causes negative aspects for young people. These are mainly caused by a misconception of the meaning of this lifestyle. The negative effects can be mentioned as young people become self-indulgent. Instead of doing useful things for society, they engage in useless fun. And gradually become lazy, do not work hard. Because they think you only live once, so play to the fullest. Sometimes we set our goals too high and get caught up in it, forgetting about the precious things beside us. That leads to a selfish lifestyle, living only for myself. Spend a lot of time focusing on self-development, while forgetting about the existence of those around you. Illusion when you are not equipped with the necessary things for a new start, a new path but still risking embark on. The core purpose of the YOLO lifestyle is very good and it would be great if you could adopt this lifestyle for yourself. First, however, we need to understand the meaning of this way of life. Allocate your time and energy to your goals in work, relationships, hobbies, etc. with a positive and serious attitude to get the most effective results from this lifestyle.
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.